Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, we will be studying about the layers of the soil and the types of the soil. So, in the previous video, we started about the soil profile. In this video, we will be studying about the layers of the soil. Now, let's take a glass. Take a little soil, break the clumps with your hand to powder it. Now, take a glass tumbler, 3/4 filled with water, and then add a handful of soil in it. Now you've taken a glass. What you do, you add 3/4 of water to the glass. After that, and add the soil to the glass. Stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time. Afterwards, you will observe that you will see the layers of the soil. One layer, second layer, and third layer, and fourth layer, and then you can say this fifth layer. Right. Now what you will see at the bottom, you will see the gravel. When you go a little up, you will see sand. Then there will be clay. In this part, there will be water. And this topmost part will be humus. Now the rotten dead matter in the soil is called humus, that we have already studied. Now this is how the layer of the soil is formed. Number one is humus. Then there will be water, then clay, sand, and at the end you will see the gravel. You can perform this activity at your home and you can see this live example of the layers of the soil. Now the types of soil. See, topsoil has bits of rocks and humus in it. We perform the activity, we see that the layers are formed when you mix the soil into the water, and when it settles down, some layers are formed. So we basically, we have taken the soil, which is the topsoil. So this topsoil has other different parts, which is your clay. Now clay has the smallest size of the particle. You cannot see a single clay particle. Clay feels smooth because of its small particle size. Then we have silt. These particles are larger than the clay. It is not so smooth. It can be found in a river bed. Then we have sand. They are the largest size particles which can easily be seen. They are easy to touch. Now after that you also have gravel with a topsoil with small stones is your gravel. Now on the basis of this, we've divided this soil as sandy soil. Now this sandy soil has a lot of sand in it and very little silt and clay. It is found, for example, in deserts. It can hold air but cannot hold much water, as water drains quickly through large spaces between the sand particles. Then comes, on the other hand, is clayey soil, right, which mostly contains clay. Water drains through it very slowly. Since the particles are very small and tightly packed, this type of soil is not able to trap enough air for the roots of the plant. Then we have the best topsoil for growing particle is loam. Now, what is loam? It is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay, and also has humus in it. Now it has the right water holding capacity for plant growth. It also has adequate spaces between the soil particles to trap air required by the roots of the plant. So all the properties which these single soil, that sandy soil, clay soil, do not have, whereas loam soil, it is a mixture of sand, silt and clay. So all the properties are mixed to it, that water, the right water holding capacity, of that the air passes through it, there is an adequate space between the soil particles to pass the air. So these loam is the best soil in order to grow the plants. Now I hope you have understood about the layers and the types of the soil and which soil is the best for the growth of the plant. If you have any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can write me in the comment box. I will help you out with your doubts, and make sure you clear your doubts because this is very important.